To operate the Truma digital control panel, so you press and hold to turn on and off by just pressing this and holding down for a few seconds. You get the time, and then if you press into the menu, so in the far left hand corner you've got the motorhome with the thermometer in. This is the temperature of the heat you want inside the vehicle. So you've got all the way up to 30 degrees, and then you just press and hold to set that. If you didn't want the heating on, you just turn it off, and then next to it you have your hot water. So make sure you've got enough water in the boiler first and you have enough water on board, otherwise don't put the hot water on, as it's like boiling a kettle without water in. So you've got off, you've got eco, which is 40 degrees of heating your water. You've got hot, which is 60 degrees of heating your water, and you've got boost, which will turn off your heating first and prioritize the water. So for this we'll just say hot, and then moving along you've got which source you want to use. So you've got gas on its own if you weren't hooked up and you are wild camping. You've got a mixture of 1 kilowatt of electric and gas. A mixture of 2 kilowatts of electric and gas, so you'd use this if you are in desperate need of heating or hot water, i.e. in the winter months. You've got electric on 1 kilowatt. And you've got electric on 2 kilowatts. So normally you'd use an electric on 2 if you've paid your site fees, you'll not want to waste your gas. But you may need to use electric on 1 kilowatt if you're boiling an electric kettle at the same time or using too much electric. But check with your site on what current and amperage they give you through your hookup lead, and this will determine whether you use electric on 2 or electric on 1. Otherwise you can trip the vehicle out or the site. Then in the top right you've got the fans. You've got it on eco or high. Eco, if you're going to sleep, put it on eco, as the fans are a little bit more silent. If you put on high you can hear the fans. This is just to boost the vehicle. Obviously if it's cold you want to put them on high, give the vehicle a boost of using the 12 volt assisted fan. In the bottom left you've got a timer, so you can time it to come on and off. Just the once though. And then in the middle you've got the time displayed on the main control panel. And then should you get a warning triangle in the middle, which means either something's gone wrong, you can reset the panel by going to the spanner setting in the bottom right, going to reset, clicking, it'll say preset, click again, and then you'll have to go in and reset everything that I've just shown you.